Welcome back to our warehouse. If you've purchased a SawStop, this is where it's come from. Gets pulled, packed, and wrapped, ready to go out the door for you most of the time on the same day. You can see we're pretty well stocked. Here's a pile of 36-inch fence table boards. Rails are over here. We're pretty well stocked on those right now. It's our most popular fence. 3-horse PCS models have just came off the truck, so we're pretty well stocked on those guys as well. And also mobile bases, integrated router tables. If you need it, we've got all the accessories here ready to go for you. Maybe 220 volt isn't what you're looking for today. Maybe you need a 110 volt. We got job site saws too. Brand new, ready to go. And stopped in today, Greg Tamm, our SawStop rep. Thanks for stopping by today.
Thank you Brian. Thank you everybody at Werks, Ohio for the great support you've given to SawStop and our shared customers through the recent time and going into the future. If you're considering a saw, this is a great place to get one. Thanks to everybody.